The anomaly detection command is a powerful tool used to find outliers and identify unusual patterns automatically in time series data. It helps discover anomalies that may indicate important events or potential issues. Anomaly detection is a Splunk command that analyzes your data to detect unusual patterns and outliers without manual intervention. It focuses on time series data, allowing you to uncover hidden anomalies quickly and efficiently. The basic syntax for using anomaly detection in Splunk involves appending the command to your search results. You specify the field to analyze using the word field followed by the field name in quotes. The command scans the selected field and highlights any points that differ significantly from the norm. There are several key options to customize the anomaly detection command. The threshold option controls the sensitivity of anomaly detection, allowing you to adjust how strictly outliers are identified. The period option helps specify the periodicity of patterns, such as daily or hourly cycles. The max anomalies option limits the maximum number of anomalies detected to avoid overwhelming results. In practical use, you can apply anomaly detection on weblog data to find unusual spikes. For example, you can count events by status code over 1-hour intervals, apply anomaly detection on the count field with a threshold of 80, and then filter to show only results where the anomaly score is greater than 0.5. The anomaly score is a numerical value that represents how unusual a data point is compared to typical patterns. A higher anomaly score indicates that the data point is more likely to be an outlier or unusual event. Filtering results using this score helps focus on the most significant anomalies. Anomaly detection is useful for detecting unusual spikes in web traffic or system metrics. It can identify rare error codes or performance slowdowns automatically. This command assists in proactive monitoring by highlighting abnormal time series behavior before issues escalate. The anomaly detection command automates the process of finding outliers and unusual trends in time series data. Using it improves monitoring effectiveness by spotting anomalies early, allowing timely investigation and deeper insight into your data. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.